Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a mukbang video. Now, I don't know if the lighting's that great, but I have a, oops, I need to get a tissue. This is a homemade, not homemade, this is a stone-baked barbecue pizza, and it's massive. I'm so hungry as well. I've also got some mayo and ketchup and a Diet Coke. So let's get into it. It's really cold outside today, so I've got a nice jumper. So here we go, first bite, guys. Oh, it's lovely. Now, there's a lot of pizza here, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat it all. But wow. It just tastes very stone-baked. Now, I thought I'd actually burnt the pizza, but I haven't. The outside seems really, like burnt, but it's not. Diet Coke. This is so good. I'm just going to add a bit of ketchup. Who else loves ketchup with pizza? Now, I think this is sourdough bread. I love mayo. Who else has mayo with pizza? Weird. So good. Now I've added pickles on the pizza too, because I really like pickles in pizza. I really like it. Now I did a, can you see those flowers there? They're the flowers that my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day. It's so cool, aren't they? Did you see my ASMR video? And what did you think of it? I loved it. I thought it was so funny. Wow, I'm getting full already. Here's a big ass pizza. more appetizing for you guys. There you go. Oh, I'm getting really full. I don't know how mukbangers can, I don't know how they can mukbang for like an hour. Like, how much would they eat? I just don't understand. It's not me. So, speaking of mukbangers, oh my God. My favourite mukbanger lately is Veronica Wang. I love that girl, and I think she's gone through so much fucking shit because of that idiot Nicokado Avocado. I cannot stand him. I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't be saying this, and this video will probably get lots of hate because of it, but he first seemed like such a lovely guy. You know, he's vegan. He did mukbangs with Mommy Tang, and seemed really lovely, really nice and caring and sweet. And then, I mean, if you look at his videos now, he's like a psychotic train wreck. I just can't understand how he's just... My channel isn't that big, so I can afford to be a bit controversial. I'm not going to get, like, Shapace's followers watching, you know. Shaved his head off. He's literally so nasty about Veronica Wang. I absolutely love the girl. I think she's so cool. I think she's just doing her thing. She's not upsetting anyone. She's not causing controversy. And this stupid shutbang channel decides to make a video about her and literally, like, rip her to absolute shreds about something. About a video with some other YouTuber. Can't remember her name. And is it really necessary for her, you know, for that to happen? No. You know, it was a silly video, and Veronica, I keep saying Victoria, Veronica tried to take it down, which I would have done, if anything, you know, everyone's giving a shit because she tried to take it down. It's, you know, it's damaging her brand, and why would anyone want that on there? So, I would have done exactly the same. But anyway, I mean, Nicokado is just making lies about her, like I did with Divine Munchies, trying to get the views, you know, trying to... And there's just no need. I mean, what upsets me the most is, I'm sure he's a lovely, lovely person, but what upsets me the most is his downfall, because I see things from, like, a mental kind of illness perspective. Like, to see him from going to that, from that amazing, funny guy to what he's become now. And it's sad. I mean, he needs help. He definitely needs some sort of help and support. I don't hate the man. I don't dislike him, but I think what he's doing at the minute is not, it's not doing him, you know, it's not spreading positivity. He's been negative. And he's obviously in a very bad place. You know, he's gained a lot of weight since he's not gone vegan. He just needs to kind of find his inner peace again, like he has, you know, when I saw him in that video with Mommy Tang. He was such a different person, completely. It's hard, he'll get there, but I think bashing other YouTubers that are just trying to do the same as him is not, I don't think it's great at all. And, you know, also these channels that are trying to cash in on, you know, Veronica, sorry, I don't mean to offend her, but I don't know why I keep doing it. These other channels that try to offend Veronica Wang and her content, not fair. And the poor girl's gone through a lot. And in her Mukbang Rant video, she disclosed a lot about her life, and she didn't have to do that, and it's sad that she's had to go through that to the point where she has to say it to justify her, you know, her reactions. And you should know a human being should have to do that. No human being should have to, you know, tell you her, you know, every dark secret in order for someone to try and understand. No, you shouldn't be stripped of your integrity like that. And she's had to do that because no one else is trying, you know, no one's giving her, obviously her fans are, which I am, and I respect everyone for doing that, but no one's trying to understand her. So, Veronica Wang, if you're watching, I fucking love you, girl. You probably won't, because keep doing you. I absolutely love you. I love your mukbangs. I love how you eat. I love everything about you. And people that are taking the piss out of how she eats as well. So what? How she eats? Who cares? How does it affect you how someone eats? If you don't like it, click off. It's not difficult. It really isn't difficult. It's not rocket science. There's thousands of channels people can watch. And you're getting hung up about someone who eats funny. Well, do you know what? Fuck off. There's more to life. There's more to life. So yeah, it really winds me up. I love her. Absolutely love her. I think she's so cool. Yeah, sorry about this rant video. Got on a bit of a rant, haven't I? But I don't know. I'm so full. I'm done. This pizza was amazing. So let me know, guys, what you'd like me to... I was going to have some kimchi with it, but I'm not really a big fan of kimchi. I'm trying to get into it, but I just physically can't get into it. I don't know what it is, but I think it's the garlic. I'm not really a fan of garlic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Do you like this video? Would you want me to do any more kind of videos? What do you want me to do? Would you like me to do any sweet videos? Sorry. I know my chocolate fudge pudding cake did really, really amazing. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know, again, what you'd like to see me do next. That's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this mukbang. Don't forget to like, I've said it already. I hope you've enjoyed this mukbang, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.